Welcome to Trading Lounge and the European Forex pairs, and I just wanted to cover these quickly, the Euros anyway. So they're all moving in the same direction, and with the Euro Yen here, we're looking at 5 waves up here, an A and a B and a C wave here, and we're looking for another 5 waves here. So in this instance here, we're looking at wave 1 here, wave 2 here, wave 3 should tie us soon. This is the New Zealand Open, wave 4 and wave 5 moving up here. So we can look at these old highs here for a rough target here. The length of wave A here is the same, will be the same as length as wave C here. So that's what we're looking at this stage. So a target into the sort of 119.50, the old highs here is what we're sort of looking at for these ones. And the next one is the cable. Once again, from the low here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave 1, an A and a B and a C for wave 2. And then going up for wave 3 here, we have wave 1, A, B, C for wave 2, the third, the fourth and the fifth wave with the gap on it. For the third, expect a correction across the 145, a pullback of 38%, and then wave 5 to the upside here at 146.50 here, okay? And the other euros, the pound yen as well here. I can remove this. We were looking at this here at some point, so I'll just clean that up there. So let me just get things together here so we can use just double checking. So we can, it doesn't really matter, we use that as 1 and 2 at this point here, and wave 3 will be up here with 5 waves in it, wave 4 and then wave 5 up here. So we've got wave 1 and 2 here, and I think this is obviously, I'm not sure if this is wave 3 here, especially with the gap here, but it's a bit hard with the gaps. There's no waves to count. That's the trouble with them. But I would say that the gap has occurred in the third of the third, so this is the actual middle of the trend here. So the middle of the gap here will be the middle of the trend, and the trend from wave 2 here to wave 3. So what we could do is we could just grab this distance here, roughly. You can get a better idea of this. Copy that and pop that there. So we'll put wave 3 here, and wave 4 here, and wave 5 here, still moving to the upside there. And I'll just save that so we know where I've been talking about. And next one here, so that's the pound yen as well. Sorry about that, I'm just in a bit of a hurry. So pound yen for this one, so looking at the pounds and the euros there. And of course the Euro US here. So once again, we're looking at this as an A and a B and a C wave here. So that makes this move from this high here down to here corrective. So that means we'll be taking out that high here. And once again, we'll be looking at wave 1 and 2 here, and the third wave into the supply zone up here with a wave 4 back and then a wave 5 up. So we can be looking pretty much, we'll tune into this through the London opening, but we'll be up at the 1.15 there. So I just really wanted to give a bit of structure to the move up in the euros and the pounds and the Aussie dollar and so forth. That's how they'll be sort of panning out. So it's I guess it's a bit of buy the rumour, sell the fact type of thing, you know, because of the Brexit situation coming up later in the week. And probably before that, the Wednesday or whatever, things will get pretty still, I'd imagine, you know, the eye of the storm, so to speak. So if we have a very clear wave count, then we'll trade through it. If we don't have a strong commitment and we don't have enough evidence in to give us something, then we do need to step aside and allow the really sort of big move swing to take its place, so to speak. There'll be a lot of people, their fingers on the button, so to speak, but we're talking about being in it before it occurs. So if we have the evidence, then we will be in on that side of it, but if not, well, then we'll stand aside. Better to be safe than sorry, I say, and then as long as you can handle the woulda, coulda, shouldas afterwards. Alrighty, cheers.